You are lagging behind. Right now, as you're watching this video, millions of people are making progress and growing. They're getting ahead, faster than ever, thanks to the one thing. And if you're not using it, you are really lagging behind. It's the AI. AI is no longer a distant dream. It's here. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI systems are revolutionizing how we work, create, and solve problems. From generating ideas to automating tasks, AI is the key to unlocking your true potential. Imagine automating tasks that take you hours to complete, like, for example, writing emails, managing your to-do list, and even setting reminders for important meetings, or even brainstorming new ideas for your next big project or presentation. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can get you those results in minutes, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. Whether it's writing an email to your manager about project updates or asking to write a poem for your special one, it's done in seconds. Organize your daily tasks and prioritize them based on deadlines, ensuring nothing important is overlooked. Imagine having an AI that not only organizes but also optimizes your schedule for maximum productivity. From analyzing data to providing actionable insights, AI can be your ultimate productivity partner, which won't leave like your ex-partners. Learning faster and smarter with AI. Why spend days or weeks learning something when AI can explain it to you in seconds? Whether it's coding, languages, or mastering a new hobby, AI can guide you step by step. Using AI for creative projects. Find your thing with the help of AIs as you are confused yourself. Want to make videos, write blogs, or design graphics, but don't know where to start? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, AI tools can provide the inspiration and assistance you need. Let AI discover your creative edge. It can analyze trends, suggest ideas, and even automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, and that is your creativity. From generating video scripts to designing logos, AI can streamline your workflow and enhance your creative output. Many AIs are out there making creativity effortless. Imagine composing a symphony or crafting a poem with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless when you have AI as your creative partner, which also won't leave like your ex-partner. Career and business. AI can give you the competitive edge. We all know, in business, speed and innovation are everything. With AI, you can brainstorm new product ideas, analyze market trends, or even automate customer service. Don't fall behind your competition. Use AI to stay one step ahead. Questioning voice. So what's the conclusion of this? Take action now. If you're not using these AI tools, you're missing out on a world of opportunities. These tools are designed to make your life easier, your work more efficient, and your goals more attainable. You're letting others gain an edge. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead means embracing technology. It's time to stop lagging behind and start using AI to achieve your goals, faster, better, and smarter. Imagine the possibilities when you harness the power of AI. Don't wait. Open up ChatGPT, explore AI tools, and take action today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. From automating mundane tasks to generating creative ideas, AI can transform the way you work and think. Your future is waiting, but you have to catch up first. The tools are at your fingertips, ready to propel you forward. Embrace the change, take the leap, and watch as your productivity and creativity soar to new heights.